A sprawling new manufacturing facility spread over 120,000 square feet. Ather Energy's new plant in Hosur, Tamil Nadu has been built in record time in just 9 months, and in 2020, a year when the whole world faced challenges due to the pandemic. And now, it's ready to ramp up production for Ather Energy, which is looking to expand its distribution network across the country.
If I told you that Ather Energy back in 2018 when it first started production made one vehicle in 9 days. But look around me, that's not the case anymore. This new facility in Hosur makes about 9,200 vehicles per month and over 110,000 vehicles per year. And this massive plant can scale up to 5 lakh vehicles per year. Well, that's the kind of numbers we are talking about today.
About 90% of the components on the Ather 450 Plus and the 450X are sourced from local suppliers, a majority of which are located in South India. The battery cell is the only imported component that comes from LG in South Korea. Ather manufactures its own batteries with a capacity to produce 1,20,000 units per year.
The journey started almost 2 years back because we knew that the kind of plans we had, the Whitefield factory was more like a mini R&D setup only. It was more like for us to experiment, and we just want a place which was near to our R&D center, so that we could quickly fix any problems which come up. But we knew that that's not really a scalable option. So even though we had put up the factory, we had already started looking out for where all we can go. And considering that the Hosur area has a lot of two-wheeler manufacturers themselves, so it was pretty obvious for us to look at something in Tamil Nadu.
The Ather plant operates in a single assembly line for now. The electric motor is the first component attached to the aluminium frame, which is followed by the suspension, tires, brakes and the handlebar. Next comes the exterior panels, the lighting system and finally the touchscreen instrument console.
And we've come to the final station on the Ather assembly line. Well, there are 37 stations in total, including a few substations, and each station has 2 people working on it to make sure that right from the start point where the chassis is assembled to this point, the very one here, it takes just about 4 minutes to roll out one Ather scooter. That's the kind of efficiency we are looking at today.
A dyno test measures the top speed and the park assist feature is also tested. The electric scooter is then checked for paint finish and detailing, and a short test ride is taken to test the brakes and suspension. The Ather plant currently has a workforce of about 350 people, and the company says that the number will grow to 4,000 people over the next couple of years.
With X, we are now, instead of 2, we are growing to 27 cities. Instead of 35-40 charging points, we are already at 100 fast charging points and growing to close to 400 fast charging points later this year. So there's a lot of scale that's kicking in. So the idea was that we'll need more production, and with that we wanted to set up a larger plant. So that's how this plant was conceptualized, and I'm glad to say that despite the pandemic, this has come out right on time. This was supposed to go live by November, December. This turned on in December.
Ather is anticipating huge demand from newer markets and has plans to invest about 635 crore rupees going forward over the next 5 years at the new facility. All this to be met by increased capacity of up to 5 lakh units at the plant in the next phase of expansion. For customers, it may translate to easy availability of Ather scooters in more cities across India and a much shorter waiting period.